Hello everyone, welcome back to my lecture series on strategic management. We are in chapter 6 and in this video my focus will be on total quality management. Okay, TQM in short, it is more popularized with the word TQM. Total quality management is a concept given by Edward Deming. It was introduced or it is originated in the 1950s, but it gained its popularity in 1980s. Okay, and it was widely used in Japan after the World War II to help, it helped Japanese companies to rebuild their economy using this total quality management techniques. Okay, see one difference between TQM and BPR is BPR is complete redesign, but total quality management is continuous improvement. It is not that completely radical rethinking, redesign, nothing. So total quality management is all about making a small changes and but making a continuous improvement in the quality of products, whatever we are delivering, product or a services. So the main focus of TQM is continuous quality improvement. It is a continuous. Okay, today there is a if a cost of production is 100 rupees, reduce it to 98. Next half year, then 96. Like this, you keep reducing it and increase the quality of the product. Okay, there is some amount of improvement, quality improvement in the areas of product or services, employer-employee relations, consumer business relations. In any way, any process you take it, there should be some improvement continuously. So total quality management is majorly focused on continuous quality improvement in business processes. American Society of Quality Control ASQC defines total quality management as a management approach to long-term success through customer satisfaction. So it is a management approach because continuously we are improving the product. It is a management approach to long-term success. It is not for a short-term focus. Do continuous improvement and then achieve your customer satisfaction. So it is a management approach to a long-term success through customer satisfaction. So every member of the organization must participate for a successful of a TQM initiative. Where they have to participate? They have to participate in improving processes, products, services, and organization culture which they are working in. So important point here, total quality management deals with continuous improvement in process, product, services, and culture of the organization. PPSC, process, product, service, and culture of the organization. So in that way, it is not only benefits customer, it will benefit everyone in the organization because everybody will be satisfied with the quality of work they are delivering. There is another definition given by ISO in International Standard Organization, defined TQM as a management approach of an organization centered on quality based on participation of all its members and aiming at long-term benefit to all the members of the organization and society. So total quality management is all about quality point. It is all about quality improvement. It will be participated by all the members and benefit for everyone in a long term and not only for persons but also for a society. So this is all about total quality management, continuous improvement, not a one time completely we will change it like a BPR. No, in TQM it is always continuous improvement. Okay, these are areas where we can implement TQM, total quality management. So the relationship between senior management and all employees. Always it should be keep improving day by day, meeting customer requirements. So your answering customer calls within 24 hours, bring it to 20 hours, 18 hours, 16 hours, like this, meeting customer requirements. Reducing development cycle times. So you are implementing or you are producing certain things which is taking 10 days, bring it to 9.5 days, 9.4 days. So reduce the development cycle time. Just in time demand flow manufacturing. I hope you guys know what is just in time. It is a inventory management technique. Uh, every company needs raw material for the production, correct? So if, for example, to produce 1 car, we need 5 tires, one spare tire and 4 actual tires. Okay. So assume that you are producing 10 cars a day. In that case, you need 50 tires for today, another 50 tires for tomorrow. And if you keep 500 tires in stock, unnecessary, it is a cost for a company, holding cost, and also cash will be blocked. Instead of that, make an arrangement whenever you need an inventory that should come and reach your plant within a short notice. So that is called just in time. The company should move towards just in time approach for their product procurements. Improvement in teams, reducing product and service cost, system to facilitate improvement, line management ownership, employee involvement and empowerment. Everywhere we can bring in small improvements. With that, employee will be more happy. Recognitions and celebrations, challenging quantified goals and benchmarking, assign proper goals to everyone, focus on processes and improvement plans, specific incorporation in strategic planning. So in all these areas, total quality management can be included very effectively. So I didn't explain a couple of things in detail, but I hope these all are self-explanatory. So what are the key principles of total quality management? This I took it from your ICSI study material. So, okay. So first one is management commitment. So there should be a proper commitment from the management for implementing TQM. So management should do plan, do, check, act. PDCA. Plan, do, check, and act. There should be proper planning. It should be deployed and then reviewed. If there is any correction required, then that should be revised. So management commitment should be there for implementing TQM. Employee empowerment. Unless you give a proper decision making powers to employee, every time if it is senior management has to take decision on every small items or a small decisions, then again it is a challenge. For a successful TQM, they should be powers should be given to employee. So by way of training, suggestion schemes, measurement and recognition, excellence teams. So proper training should be given to employee. Suggestions from employee should be taken. In every organization, they will introduce suggestion scheme where employees can give their suggestions to the management. Proper system of measuring the performance of an employee and then recognizing them, recognizing the excellence team efforts. All these are part of employee empowerment. So employees should be empowered clearly for the success of total quality management. Fact-based decision making in TQM. TQM is completely based on fact. Okay, all decisions will be taken with the facts. So there should be a proper statistical methods should be used. How much is consuming, what is producing, are doing. Use all the required statistical tools. Compare it and then take a decisions. Okay, capture all the required information. What is our sales turnover? What is total operating cost, what is net gross profit, what is net profit. Take all the numbers, maintain proper statistics of all these things, and then use appropriate statistics tool to analyze these things, and then only take a decision. So every decision in TQM will be based on fact. So this is one of the principle of TQM. So management commitment is must, employee empowerment, fact-based decision, and another principle, as we discussed already, continuous improvement. So every time, this is not that we will be redesigning entire. No, it is not a redesign. It is just a continuous improvement, a small improvement. So there should be a proper measurement system that how this improvement is happening. Excellence teams should be built and attain, maintain, and improve standards. It is keep improving. So always you have to break your success and create a new goal for yourself. So that's how the continuous improvement works. And then also cross-functional process management, because the improvement cannot be happen only in one section. There will be always a need of complete all cross-functional purchasing, finance, manufacturing. Everybody should work collaboratively for continuous improvement. And most important one is customer focus. So you should have a proper customer focus. So aim is provide quality product to customer at a affordable rate. So how can you do this? By having proper suppliers, quality suppliers with you, maintaining proper relationship with everyone, and never ever compromise on quality. And whatever customer drives, customer requires, provide that standard of product. So these all are the key principles of TQM on which TQM can be implemented in any organization. TQM expects management commitment, employee empowerment, fact-based decision making, continuous improvement, and customer focus. What are the characteristics of TQM? It requires every employee and every person in the organization, and always customer focus, delivering quality product and services to customers. It is continuous improvement, not a one-time big change. It is always continuous improvement in the processes. System approach, fact-based decisions, and it is a leadership strategy, mutually beneficial for everyone, suppliers, customers, and everyone. So these are the benefits or characteristics of TQM. So principles of TQM already we discussed, and we know that continuous improvement in TQM is an important aspect because TQM is uh, concerned with continuous improvement in all the work. So it is right from strategic planning, decision making, and in other shop floor work, everywhere we can bring in TQM. Right from a strategy boardroom, there also in those processes also we can bring to TQM, and in the shop floor where production happens, here also we can bring TQM changes. Okay, so continuous improvement is a must for TQM success. So it should be properly measured and implemented in the organization. Okay, here are few major areas, the 5 major areas of focus for capability improvement: demand generation, supply generation, technology, operations, and people capability. In the first slide earlier, we discussed almost around 13, 14 activities line by line, but summarily we can group everything in these 5 buckets. Let's see one by one in little detail. Demand generation. What is demand generation? Demand generation is all about reaching out to customer, reaching out to prospective customers, bringing customer for the businesses. So it is all about sales and marketing process. Supply generation is all about, it is all, demand generation is all about attracting customer. Okay, supply generation is getting quality products from supplier. Quality product means it is a raw material for them, right? Any manufacturer. So generate the required raw material at a quality with the quality what is expected and lesser price. So this reduces cost of operation significantly. So supply generation. And third one is technology. Technology is the most important aspect for current business. Without technology, if we do anything manually, there is a mechanical technologies for manufacturing side. There is a IT related technologies for all business processes. So plan technologies for your manufacturing process or a core business process, whether it is retail, banking, etc. And also for your support functions, finance, procurement, HR. For this, automation is also important. Here also automation important. Focus and select appropriate technology. Then operations is all about your manufacturing, whatever your core business, that is your operations. So that should be automated and bring improvements in that. And people capability, HR. Okay, organization runs with the people. So we can bring in their commitment to the organization, employees' commitment. In this continuous improvement, we have to bring in. So these are the broad categories where continuous improvement can be seen. Demand generation, which is customer focused, supply generation, which is all procurement focused with the buying a quality product. Technology is for automating all the processes within the organization. Operations, bringing efficiency in the operation side, and then people capability. So these are the five areas where broad areas where we can implement TQM. Okay, guys, that's all about TQM. And in the next video, we will discuss about Six Sigma. I request you to please subscribe my channel and also share it with your friends. Thank you. Thank you so much.